guys, I'm coming at you today to let you know I did it again. I drug something home. This time, I'm going to share it with you guys. We got ourselves a 94 Blazer, S10 Blazer. She's kind of in rough shape. We're going to call this thing Second Chance. She was all but forgotten about. And we got some things to do to her. Originally I bought a S10 pickup truck a few weeks ago. I was going to fix. It had been in a crash and it was just more than I was looking to do, so I just ripped the heart out of it, which we're going to put on this thing. So that's going to be our plan. Just going to do a cheap mod, cheap build, nothing too fancy. Put a 4.3 back in it, get it running again, do some paint on it later. Don't tell my wife, but we're going to be lowering it too. And interior needs some work, but all we have is time. Well, first thing we got to get sorted out is wiring. Let's let the party begin. Alright guys, first thing we need to take care of is the wiring. Always going to seem like the worst part. First thing I want to start with is a starter. Every time I try to start this thing, it's blowing the fuse. So this right here is fuse box connector for my starter relay. That was the body of the starter. So, I need your starter. I'm going to send the ECM out to get programmed, taking off all the emissions, make it a simpler swap. Just leave the detail of taking everything off and marking what we need and don't need. Started marking, I took it out, most of these things, like this will go away. Air conditioning, the little coil, we'll mark all this stuff before we take it out, and then we'll start disassembling the pins. Let's get to work. Now we're not doing a big $5 bill here. We're just doing a transplant. Replace the things that are required. We got leaky valve covers, intake manifold. Just the basic stuff. Not going overboard. I'll save you all the boring details.
You
this down. We'll take the GR stuff off. Changing the intake gasket. It's got a pretty good leak back here. And valve cover gasket. Like I said, we're just doing a simple motor swap. We're not going to get too crazy with it. But yeah, she ran pretty good when I had it running. Bought it off the guy. He said he put new brakes on it. As he proceeded to wreck it, ran right into the back of someone. You can't make this up. So yeah, it'll go good in here. Of course, there are many differences between this engine and what was originally in the truck. So we got a lot of wiring to take out of the truck too, which will come in time. Alright guys, thank you.